Imagine a world where every photo, every document, every memory you've ever had could fit inside a single teaspoon. A world where your own Dina isn't just the blueprint of life, it's the ultimate storage device. Sounds like science fiction? Today, it's becoming reality. Ladies and gentlemen, we are standing at the intersection of two revolutions, biology and digital technology. Computers have evolved from room-sized machines to smartphones that fit in your pocket. Meanwhile, biology has evolved from microscopes studying cells to scientists rewriting the very code of life. Now these two worlds are converging. This is what I call bio-digital convergence, and it's transforming how we think about data, memory, and life itself. DNA is nature's hard drive. Unlike silicon chips that degrade over decades, Dina is durable for thousands of years. It is incredibly dense. A single gram of Dina can theoretically store hundreds of petabytes of data. To put that in perspective, all the data humans have ever generated could fit in a shoebox of Dina. Moreover, Dina is self-replicating, meaning once data is stored, it can be copied with remarkable accuracy. Unlike cloud servers that need constant electricity, Dina preserves information without energy consumption. In other words, your data could outlast civilization itself. Storing information in Dina is not magic, it's chemistry and coding. Scientists translate binary data, the zeros and ones that computers use, into the 4 nucleotide bases of Dina, A, T, C, and G. For example, 0 duck A, 01 ducks T, 10 ducks C, 11 text G. Once encoded, this sequence is synthesized into actual Dina molecules. To retrieve the data, the Dina is sequenced, read, and converted back into binary. It's like turning your genome into a USB stick, but millions of times smaller and faster in potential density. Section 3. Real-world applications. The applications of Dina storage are mind-blowing. Archiving humanity's knowledge. Imagine storing entire libraries, museums, and historical archives in tiny Dina chips. Even as technology changes, your memories won't vanish. Space exploration. Astronauts could carry terabytes of information to Mars in just a few grams of Dina. Personal data on your body, one day, your health records, insurance details, and even personal media could be stored directly in your Dina. We are literally talking about turning biology into a living hard drive. Section 4. The ethical frontier, 1 of 5 minutes. Of course, with great power comes responsibility. Bio-digital convergence raises profound ethical questions. Who owns your DNA stored data? How do we protect it from hacking? Could this technology change the meaning of privacy and personal identity? We are not just engineers and scientists, we are also stewards of a new digital biological world. Balancing innovation with ethics will define the next decade. Section 5. The future, 1.5 minutes. Looking ahead, we may see devices that combine your genome with AI to create personalized data ecosystems. Imagine a world where your biological and digital identities are seamlessly connected, where your Dina isn't just life, it's memory, legacy, and even intelligence storage. Researchers predict that within the next 10 years, storage could become cost-effective, fast, and widely accessible. What today seems futuristic will tomorrow be routine. Your Dina may not just encode life, it may encode the story of humanity itself. Conclusion and call to action. So, the next time you look at your Dina, remember, it's not just a map of your genes, it's a high-speed hard drive waiting to be unlocked. The convergence of biology and digital technology is not coming, it's here. And those who embrace this new frontier will shape the future of memory, information, and life itself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the era where biology becomes technology, and your Dina becomes the ultimate archive of human civilization.